If you write anything down today, it is, fortune is in the follow-up. How many of you thrived correctly the first day you thrived? Not all of us. I actually told the promoter who I got my sample from, don't call me, I'll call you, and I'm not selling anything. I was overloaded and tired, and she had so much energy, she gave me like chills of cringe down my back. And I thought, man, if she doesn't get out of my office. But her belief and her gentle follow-up each and every day of my sample, not too much, just a simple question, not multiple questions, just there. And I know that it's really hard because sometimes you're afraid they didn't thrive right? And you're not gonna be able to tell them why it didn't work. Well, there's science behind it, and the simplicity is what makes you successful in this product, in this company. And so I want you to understand that all you have to do is simply check in, simply follow up, make sure that they are thriving correctly. And sometimes follow-up doesn't look like follow-up. It's that service that comes out of us. It's that, hey, I seen you had a rough night, just wanted to check in on you on that 2 days before their auto ship goes out, right? Knowing that the auto ship is not what's on the top of their agenda, but maybe what's happening in their life that you know about it, you're paying close enough attention that they will remember that auto ship is gonna go through, and they're still gonna be thriving with you in 6 months. So, whenever I think about service, Katie is the queen of service. So, Katie, how do you follow up?
So I bring their why into the follow-up. I tell my team all the time, I'm like, you are not a walking cloud office document. They can go to Le-Vel.com to get the comp plan. Great businesses are built from relationships. Retention and leadership is built because they can feel your love, not how much money you make. Just gotta say that, okay? And not pitching a comp plan. When anyone gets in my inbox, I'm not like, here's the packs, here's my link, talk to you later. I literally ask people, how many kids do you have? What does your husband do for a living? What are your fears? What are your concerns? What do you want? I want to honor and value these things, you guys, because when I follow up, my worst nightmare is my name pop up and then be like, oh my God, here she comes, follow up Friday, coming in to join her Thrive team. I want them to open my message and say, wow, she cares. She remembers that my husband works 12-hour shifts. Katie, remember that I just wanted school clothes for the fall for my kids. This isn't about her, this is about me. So it's always, always about making people feel important than sending all the details.